Evening, cheers, welcome to episode 2. It's Wednesday evening, don't ask me what date it is. Oh, I know what date it is. It's the 31st of July 2024. So, as I say, start of episode 2. Thank you to everybody that's subscribed so far. Thought I'd go through with you the MOT failure sheet, so I printed it off. It's, as I said, quite long, so I'll just read it to you here. That's why I've got my glasses on. So it says, do not drive until repaired dangerous defects. Front vehicle structure has excessive corrosion which adversely affects braking or steering bulkhead. So basically that's the bulkhead behind where the ABS modulator, or old-fashioned terms, servo, brake servo, pedal box and all that lot is attached to. Repair immediately major defects. Rear integral body structure corroded to extent that rigidity of the assembly is significantly reduced. Boot floor by chassis mounting and tow bar. Well, that's a lot of rubbish because the tow bar isn't mounted to the body, it's mounted to the chassis, so they don't know what they're talking about in that respect. But yes, the rear body floor needs replacing in the boot. The rear body cross member is rotten. So I have ordered and has arrived already boot floor. Oh, hang on, Merlin wants to come in. Hang on, I'll just let the cat in. Ooh. There he is. Hello Merlin, you coming in, mate? Come on in. So for those of you that don't know, that's my cat Merlin. If you've not seen my other channel, that's my cat Merlin. Right, yeah, so we were saying about the body floor, the boot floor, sorry. It's a discovery boot floor and a repair section. You can now get a whole Range Rover boot floor. Hello, yes, I know. But it's like 500 quid. I think I paid 78 for that. Then it says near side, let's turn you around so I can read it to you. Near side rear inner seatbelt anchorage, prescribed area strength or continuity significantly reduced, arch. Offside rear, again inner seatbelt. So those two are underneath the C post, underneath the C post, where the sunroof drain comes through. Under here, up there. What I'll do is, as I'm reading this, I'll insert pictures somewhere so you can see, because I've taken pictures of most areas. Then, near side rear integral body structure corroded to the extent that the rigidity of the assembly is significantly reduced. Outrigger inner sill. Again, I'll put a picture in. That's just sill, basically inner sill. Near side front integral body structure corroded to the extent that the rigidity of the assembly is significantly reduced. Outrigger, again, sill. I'll put a picture in. Offside rear integral body structure corroded to the extent that the rigidity of the assembly is significantly reduced. Outrigger and inner sill. Picture, sills, body mounts. Offside, again, same thing. Offside integral body structure corroded to the extent that the rigidity of the assembly is significantly reduced. Outer sill. Front inner integral body structure corroded. Arch, outrigger and chassis. Well, the chassis isn't corroded because I've had a look. It's fine. It's just basically the headlight here. Front inner wing, body mount. Picture. Near side front. So that one's offside, isn't it? So that's that side. That side's okay. It's this side that's bad. Near side body mount, basically. Then monitor and repair if necessary. Rear exhaust has a minor leak of exhaust gases. Minor? I'll put a picture in. I can almost fit my fist in the hole. Huge. Off-site front brake pipe corroded, covered in grease or other material. The swivels are leaking, basically. Rear brake disc worn, pitted or scored, not seriously weakened. Needs new rear discs and calipers. And then the top offside front outer oil leak. but not excessive half shaft. Half shaft isn't leaking, it's the swivel that's leaking, and the half shaft is leaking on the near side. Again, I'll put pictures on. So to a certain extent, there's some errors in there. They don't know what they're talking about. But anyway, I'll take you around later in the week. I'm not starting to strip it apart yet. I've ordered a rear body cross member. That's arrived. That's the rear floor. I've not ordered the Z sections yet because I'll wait until I've got the floor out to see exactly what I need. See if I need some wheel arch repair sections from YRM. The rear window lift switch, I've had to order a new one of those because I swapped them over left to right. This side wasn't working. A lot of contact cleaner, got it working, immediately failed again, so I've ordered a new one of those. I've done some research and I've found out about that diff lock linkage. It's seized. That's why I can't get it to work. So I need to take that out again and fix that. I've actually put the tunnel back in to tidy up. So I need to take the tunnel back out again, do that. Transfer box is leaking on the intermediate shaft O-ring, so I need to fix that. I'm thinking to keep the Freestar wheels rather than go for the original Range Rover spokes, but I haven't decided yet. It'll need new tyres, the alloys need refurbing. Yeah, so I think I might just put this up as a little bit of an intermediate. I might not. I might see you later in the week. Probably see you later in the week because I'm going to start stripping it down. I've put plus gas on the rear bolts and everything ready to start. So I'm going to go in and drink my coffee, get my tea ready. Need to put the oven on. Oh! I know what else has come. In this box, we've got a new supply of this paint that I use. The Rust Buster 1-to-1 stuff. So I've got some new of that. I've got some Rust Buster rust treatment. I've bought grey and black. Put grey on the inner body, floor, black on the chassis. What else? Picked up that welder, second-hand welder. That's like the one I had before. Lost my welding helmet, or I gave it away, so I need to buy a new welding helmet. Need to get some gas for it. Over there somewhere I've got my welding apron. Still got my welding gloves. So yeah, just a short one today. I was looking through old photos of the previous two that I've done, and everything on this is no worse than the previous two. The only difference is I've got to take the dash out to do the bulkhead. I didn't have to do bulkhead repairs on the last one. But then again, the last one, that black one, that air suspension one, I had to do a lot more electrical stuff, mechanical stuff. I had to refurb the air suspension, do all that. So it'll need bushes and everything and brake lines, and while the floor's out I might as well do the A-frame and all that. So yeah, keep me busy for a bit. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Please do comment, it does help the YouTube algorithms to promote the channel. And yeah, tell everyone else, let's get everyone else subscribed. So thanks, see you later.